Today is May 20, 2023, and I am at my friend's house in La Mesa. Last year I did this garden, so I'm here to check what's going on with them and do some maintenance work. So let's do it. See? Look how beautiful they are after a year. Oh wow. Look at that. So this is the front. Let's go on the other side. So, yeah, this needs to be trimmed. They are running amok. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, and then let's do this side. Wow. Oops, another thing to do to trim it. Okay, this is run amok. That's to be trimmed. It covered everything. Wow. Look how beautiful they are here. Wow. Beautiful. On here. Okay. Okay, we have a casualty here. We need to replace that. And look what happened here. Oh goodness. It has run amok, and this is actually a weed. It's a humongous weed. Let's see what we have going here. Oh my goodness, this is huge. A lot of babies. Okay. And then of course, how beautiful this tapestry. I did this a year ago. This is beautiful, and this is heading towards the pool. So I'm gonna just move this here and put it there. Like that. See, it's better. Like
it? You just set it there, you don't have to put it in the dirt?
Yeah, just disturb the yard a little bit, and voila. Okay.
Oh, I see, you got a hole in there.
There you go. Oh, diba? It's on the other side. And somewhere here. It's dry already.
Yeah, your big hat is getting in the way of the video.
It does?
Well, it's okay.
Okay.
I'm just switching sides here.
Okay. This I just reset it and it will be there. Like that. Voila!
Voila, that's it.
Very beautiful. Beautiful like that. So I'm gonna put a little. And you know what? This one are covering already, so I have to put them somewhere. This has to be there. Yeah? As long as it's touching the ground. That's all you need, my friend. My friend, my friend. And then here, I can put this one here. Okay. Do that. So I just balance them so they will be beautiful because they don't look good. This is just very tall. So put it like that. It looks before trimming and so it looks before I trim it. So my friend wants me to trim this, but if me, I'm okay with it. But let's see what magic I can do. Basically the yard that I did last year, and today I came here to kind of do a little bit of just like a maintenance or something. Yeah. We didn't have much casualties actually. The plants survive. The succulents, they're okay. So, you know, did some cuttings and just planted them on these planters. Nothing fancy because my friend just want to cover those holes here. So, just basically some cleanup. So these are all from the cuttings, you know. Sooner or later they're going to have more cuttings. So here I kind of clean this mess because before you don't even see this nice aloe vera here. Now at least I can see them, and then see I had so many babies here from that nice succulents over there. And then this aeonium, I cut the babies. She has lots of babies, and then of course I use them here. Those are the babies. Yeah. See that? Beautiful. This is 1-year-old arrangement, guys. Very nice. So beautiful. Too much maintenance here. I just cut some of the, you know, succulents that were not in line with the arrangements because I'm happy with just the way they are, you know. So I told my friend we'll just leave them as is. But this one I cut it. See how beautiful the aeoniums are? That's how I want them to be. Trim all the edges here because that one is behind this fence. Just cleaning. Those succulents are beautiful. Look at those aeonium. Aren't they pretty? Okay. Yeah, this one I trimmed it too before all the covered are there. And this one we replaced, actually we replaced that the middle plant because it was, the first one was like, it didn't make it, so to speak. So, and then I remove all the ground cover there. Yeah, it's beautiful there. I did some trimming too over here. This is clean already. Pretty. This arrangement are the aeoniums as well. Look at them, and that one, look at that. They are so beautiful. Yeah. So And Robert really did a good job taking care of his succulent garden. Mostly what I did was just to do some trimming, and then those succulents that were covered by the aeoniums, I just have to reposition them, and then we just replace just one specimen because that one is not healthy, but we tried to revive it. Overall, the garden looks amazing, and Robert and Maggie really did a good job. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be back after a year and to know that everything is okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.